Hello, welcome in mathematics class. Exercise 6.2 of class 9th. Question is, look at the figure and find out the values of x and y, and then show that AB is parallel to CD. Okay, it is looking that AB is parallel to CD, but they are not parallel to each other as it is given. Okay, at first it is not given that these lines are parallel. You have to prove that. Understood? Also given EGA equal to 50 degree, AGY H equal to X, CHF equal to 130 degree, and Y is GHD is Y. Okay. So, at a glance, when you see the picture, that is figure, you can see that these two angles are making linear figure, isn't it? 50 plus x equal to 180. So, you can find the value of x. Here also, these two angles. What about these two angles? They are vertically opposite angles. Yes, you are right. Y equal to 130 degree. So, we got the value of y. And from here we get the value of x. 50 plus x equal to 180, x equal to 130. So x and y both are equal. X is equal to y. You know that if two lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal, right? So in the and vice versa. Vice versa means opposite. Statements are changed. If alternate interior angles are equal, then these lines are parallel. Understood? So, let us start. Okay, here EGA. Which one EGA? EGA, that is this angle, plus AGH, that is x. AGH equal to 180 degree, linear here. 50 plus x equal to 180 degree. After transposing, 50 will go in the right hand side. 180 minus 50, that is 130. Okay. Suppose this is 1. Right. Now, these two angles are equal. Now, angle, which one? GHD is equal to CHF. Why? Vertically opposite angles. This implies GHD means 5 and this is 130 degree. Okay. We have two statements, x equal to 130 degree, y equal to 130 degree. Okay. So, first part is completed. We have got the values of x and y. Now, we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. Okay. Now, look at carefully that x and y both are alternate interior angles. Okay. From 1 and 2, x equal to y equal to 130 degree. So we have to simply write a statement that alternate interior angles are equal, therefore AB is parallel to CD. Understood? alternate interior angles are equal, therefore AB is parallel to CD, hence proved. Okay. Next question. In figure, if AB is parallel to CD, CD is parallel to EF, and Y is to Z equal to 3:7, find X. AB CD के पैरेलल है और CD EF के पैरेलल है, तो ये तीनों आपस में पैरेलल हो जाएंगे, ठीक है ना। अब यहाँ पर X दिया है बेटा, ये Y है और यहाँ पर Z है, एंगल है ना। क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है, Y और Z के बीच का जो रेशियो है कितना है, 3:7, ठीक है। अपने को X फाइंड आउट करना है। ओके, सो सॉल्यूशन गिवन दैट क्या दिया हुआ है, AB इज पैरेलल टू CD एंड CD इज पैरेलल टू EF, यानी CD जो है AB के भी पैरेलल है और EF के भी पैरेलल है, तो EF और AB भी एक दूसरे के पैरेलल होंगे। सो वी कैन राइट AB इज पैरेलल टू CD पैरेलल टू EF, तीनों आपस में पैरेलल है, राइट। नाउ also given Y is to Z equal to 3:7, ठीक है, रेशियो। तो हम लोग मान लेते हैं लेट Y इक्वल टू 3A एंड Z इक्वल टू 7। ओके, रेशियो जब भी दिया रहता है तो हम ऐसा सपोज करते हैं, राइट। नाउ look at here, suppose this angle is W, so Y equal to W, why, vertically opposite angle. Okay, now next step is W plus Z equal to 180 degree. Look at here, this is W and this is Z. Sum of interior angles of the same side of transversal equal to 180 degree. Okay, or angles, interior angles of the same side of a transversal are supplementary. ये रूल हमें पता है ना। तो W plus Z equal to 180, ठीक है। Now W equal to Y क्यों होगा, वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल। Okay, and this implies W equal to Y is equal to 3, right? Suppose this is our first statement and this is second statement. Okay, now W plus Z equal to 180, sum of angles, interior angles, sum of interior angles of the same side of transversal. Transversal line. Okay, understood? Now this implies W is equal to 3A plus Z is equal to 7A equal to 180 degree, right? So this is 10A equal to 180 degree, right? A equal to 180 upon 10. A equal to, this implies 180 upon 10, that is 18. अभी एक की वैल्यू निकली है, हमें क्या चाहिए, हमें क्या निकालना है, हमें चाहिए x की वैल्यू, है ना। तो सबसे पहले हम yz निकाल लेते हैं। yz कितना है बेटा, y कितना हो जाएगा 3a, y इक्वल टू 3a, that is 3 into 18, and z इक्वल टू 7a, that is 7 into 18. Okay. Now a equal to 18, right? Then y equal to 3a, that is 3 into 18, 54, and z equal to 7a, that is 7 into 18, 126. Now remove CD. CD को हटा देते हैं बच्चे, तो ये कैसा दिखेगा फिगर ऐसा दिखेगा, है ना? AB is parallel to EF and the transversal line GJ. Okay, it is GJ is intersecting both the lines. Then what is the relationship between X and Z? Z और X में relationship कौन सा है? Yes, you are right. They are alternate interior angle. Okay. Now AB is parallel to EF. Therefore, X equal to Z. Why? Alternate interior angles. Right? So, X equal to the value of Z is 126. Here is the answer. Right? Have a look. अब बेटा यहाँ पर ऐसे भी कर सकते थे, x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 180. देखो, सम ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल्स इन द सेम साइड ऑफ ट्रांसवर्सल, है ना? x प्लस वाई इक्वल टू 180. y की वैल्यू पुट कर दो 54. x प्लस 54 इक्वल टू 180. x इक्वल टू 180 माइनस 54. देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट x इक्वल टू 126, राइट?